This is the Department of Labor and Employment, Regional Office number 12, Soccsksargen. The first Dole Regional Office that has been ISO 9001-2008 certified. The Department of Labor and Employment is a government agency mandated to formulate and implement policies and programs and serve as the policy advisory arm of the executive branch in the field of labor and employment. Dole 12 has this quality policy statement. As I mentioned, Dole 12 is already an ISO certified government agency. So Dole 12 is committed to deliver programs and services anchored on the statutory rules and regulations towards the promotion of gainful employment opportunities, development of human resources, protection and promotion of workers' welfare, and maintenance of industrial peace. With the commitment to uphold the highest standards of excellence, we shall strive to continually improve our quality management system towards the satisfaction of our customers.
The Department of Labor and Employment has 16 regional offices responsible in championing the cause of the labor sector and the business community. In Region 12, Dole Xii was reorganized in pursuant to Section 4 of Executive Order Number 36 dated September 19, 2001. Today, 6 Dole field offices which include Cotabato City, North Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, South Cotabato, General Santos City, and Sarangani. They cater to Region 12 clients being led by its Regional Director Ofelia Bautista Domingo. The Internal Management Services Division and the Technical Support Service Division support the regional operations. The Office of the Regional Director includes the Office of the Assistant Regional Director, the Labor Market Resource Unit, and the Mediation, Arbitration, and Legal Service Unit. The Regional Director also chairs the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board and the Regional Coordinating Committee composed of OWA, POEA, NCMB, NLRC, ECC, OSHC, TESDA, NRCO, RTWPB, and the League of PESO Managers. Dole 12, with 69 plantilla positions, has a vision that every Filipino workers attain full, decent, and productive employment, and the mission to promote gainful employment opportunities, develop human resources, protect workers and promote their welfare, and maintain industrial peace. The regional agency adheres to its quality policy statement, which is to deliver programs and services anchored on statutory rules and regulations towards the promotion of gainful employment opportunities, development of human resources, protection and promotion of workers' welfare, and maintenance of industrial peace. With a commitment to uphold the highest standards of excellence, we shall strive to continually improve our quality management system towards the satisfaction of our customers. Core competencies which support the Dole 12's mission and vision of providing excellent public service include information system integration, which is maximizing technology through online delivery of frontline services, internal document processing and tracking, networking and partnership, which is managing key relationships with other agencies, local government units, and service partners. Knowledge and understanding on labor laws and other related laws and their application on labor disputes, conciliation, mediation, and enforcement of labor standards. Dole 12 continues to implement and manages the different programs and services to its target clients, observing its core values: duty above all, objectivity, loyalty, and excellence. The regional agency also adheres to to the agency's planning tool, which supports a 2014-2016 Human Development and Poverty Reduction Cluster Roadmap in providing Filipinos with access to resources for decent standard of living in the areas of human capital and social protection. Dole 12 implements and manages the following programs and services to its customer, and under the Employment Facilitation and Capacity Building Services, the Special Program for Employment of Students, or SPES, facilitates employment opportunities for students and out-of-school youth who intends to go to school. The Government Internship Program, or GIP, which facilitates employment in the government sector of new graduates of vocational courses and baccalaureate degrees. The Public Employment Service Office, or the PESO, which facilitate the employment and solicit job vacancies for local and overseas employment. Dole 12 also facilitate employment through the conduct of job fairs, capacity building activities to PESO managers in the various aspects of employment facilitation functions. To capacitate the members of the network of guidance counselors and career advocates through trainings and seminars, Dole 12 also manages the Career Guidance Advocacy Program. The regional agency conducts Career Advocacy Congress and ITC Academy Forum to obtain new ideas on organizational management and scheme on network sustainability of career guidance counselors. Employment facilitation also include the labor market information, which aims to collect and disseminate labor market information as guide for planning and policy making. Dole 12 services also include the establishment of Field JobNet and Skills Registry System, or the SRS, as Dole Data Warehouse in coordination with the PESO. Marginalized workers and victims of calamities are provided with assistance through the Dole Integrated Livelihood and Emergency Employment Program, or the DLEAP. Under the Labor Force and Welfare Services, industry tripartite councils, or the ITCs in key employment generators are organized through tripartism. Through this program, voluntary codes of good practices, or VCGPs, are adopted and operationalized and being sustained through constant monitoring. Tripartite bodies established by the department are the following: ITC Academe Sector, ITC Construction, ITC Fishing and Allied Services, ITC Tourism, ITC Manufacturing, ITC Plantation, ITC Wholesale and Retail, and ITC Overseas Employment. The Workers' Organization Development Program, or the WOODP, which aims to capacitate union leaders through dialogues, fora, seminar, and trainings to unions or union direct beneficiaries. It also provides livelihood assistance to enhance or increase family income of members, extend scholarship to union members, and or to its dependents. Graduating students are given trainings and seminars on labor relations, human relation, and productivity, and continuing labor education under the Labor and Employment Education Program. Through the Child Labor Prevention and Elimination Program, identified child laborers in hazardous occupation are profiled and assisted through the Project Angel Tree. Parents of child laborers are capacitated and empowered to prevent return of children removed from hazardous workplace. Under the Social Amelioration Program, social welfare benefits such as death benefits, maternity benefits, and bonus of sugar planter, mill workers, and field workers are processed and distributed. Sugar workers are also provided with livelihood assistance. The Family Welfare Program aims to initiate the organization of Family Welfare Committee within companies to promote better workers' quality of life through the implementation of the 10 dimensions of the Family Welfare Program. Under the Employment Regulation Services, the labor laws compliance system is being implemented to foster a culture of voluntary compliance to labor laws through the use of development approach. Through the labor dispute resolution, disputes are being settled and disposed through the single entry approach, or SENA, and speed cases within the prescribed period. Dole 12 also issues permits which include alien employment permit to non-Filipinos seeking employment in the region, permit to fabricate, operate, and install with approved mechanical plans, working child permit, and permit to conduct job fair. The agency also issues license to private recruitment and placement agency authority to recruit, registration certificates of contractors, subcontractors issued under the DO 18-A, registration of workers association, unions, association, and collective bargaining agreement are facilitated. Other than certificate of approval of electrical plants and construction safety and health programs and accredited safety practitioners and co-partners. Under the Leadership Management, Innovation and Research and Statistics, Dole 12 produces its annual reports, publish labor market information, and reinforce competencies of staff through conduct of various trainings, capacity buildings. To further motivate and encourage the Dole workforce to excel and become more productive, awards and incentive rewards are being given to top-performing employees and organizational units. For its Green Our Dole program, the regional agency's initiative includes the use of the 300-watt solar power system to light up 20 9-watt lamps during brownouts and lunchtime. Under the GODP, a fitness center for Dole 12 employees and ergonomic chairs were also provided. Employees also participate in the Gulayan sa Opisina project. Regular conduct of 5S. Participation in tree planting activities and waste segregation. The installation of CCTVs in its regional office and General Santos City Field Office was also initiated. Among the Dole Mindanao regional offices, Dole 12 is the first regional office to be ISO certified and the first to establish an internet-based quality management system which supports its personnel to be more productive and with high morale in performing their job. The said portal houses various cloud systems such as the online databank e-reports, which is designed to support centralized filing of important Google Cloud uploaded files. The Record Registry Tracking System, which electronically files, monitors, and tracks the incoming and outgoing correspondences. The Human Resource Information System, which houses all personal data sheets of every personnel, which they can revise and update to ensure that personal data and information are accurate and current. The Labor Case Tracking System organizes labor standard cases for easy monitoring and faster disposition. Dole 12 has innovated online systems which was aimed to provide excellent public services through online delivery of frontline services, internal document processing, and tracking. The online SPES aims to fast-track the payment of the 40% share of the dole in the wages of SPES beneficiaries. This paperless transaction also gives way to the decrease of paper utilization, fast and on-time report generation, generation of feedbacks from beneficiaries and satisfied clients. The online registration of Workers Association was established to reduce the registration process cycle time from 15 days to 1 day upon submission of correct and complete documents. The online registration is done at the province where the organization is based, which is convenient for the client. The online CHSP was initiated by Dole 12 to fast-track the certification of the Construction Safety and Health Program of local construction companies. Processing cycle time is relevantly reduced from 5 days to 1 day. Local establishments may now easily check the status of their CHSP application online. The system cuts paper utilization and makes all involved transactions less time-consuming. The online labor market also is a system that captures significant data and information about job seekers and employers and facilitates job matching. The Dole 12 SMS Feedback Blast is a proactive approach to reach Dole's clients through short messaging system. Launched this year, it aims to generate feedback on the effectiveness and efficiency of the agency's implementation of programs and services. Dole 12's new innovation is the online processing of clearance of have no pending case. We are now developing new online systems which can improve our services, and these include the online alien employment permit system, the online registration of a contractor, subcontractor, or DO18-A system, the online routing system, and the online case clearance system. In 2013, Dole 12 was among the top 5 Dole agencies recognized as GODP champion. Among Dole Mindanao regional offices, Dole 12 is rated best by the department in terms of overall office performance commitment review in 2013 and 2014. In 2014, Dole 12 was recognized for its efficiency in fund utilization in terms of disbursement rate of 100%, zero accidents in workplaces, highest number of child labor-free barangays to be certified, commendable implementation of the Tier 2 in terms of advocacy initiatives, and implementation of the NWPC Productivity Toolbox in terms of the number of MSMEs given full cycle trainings. The department has also given citation to Dole 12 for its exemplary performance in 2014 and early 2015, the Zero Strike Incidents Award, outstanding implementation of the programs contained in the NWPC Productivity Toolbox. Citation was also given to Dole 12 for providing appropriate assistance to establishments with deficiencies resulting to their compliance, the highest number of child labor-free barangays, and the citation for Dole 12 remarkable contribution in labor and management education, achieving the highest number in the delivery of labor and employment education services for the first semester of calendar year 2015. Dole 12 now aims to receive the highest national recognition for exemplary organizational performance of private and public organizations in the country through the Philippine Quality Awards. Currently, the regional agency continues its office physical and operational preparations after attending the PQA application development course, identified the champions, and conducted workshops and write-ups. PQA benchmarking was also done by Dole 12 personnel at DOST Region 11. Dole 12 is a collection of talented and dedicated professionals committed to uplift the lives of its clients. It involves its employees in realizing its vision and values, which are clearly communicated, fostering transparency and openness, rewarding effort with authority, and encouraging innovation at every level.
With these innovations that we have undertaken, we believe that we're able to fulfill our mission, our vision, that our Filipino workforce, which is the core of Dole existence, are satisfied, happy, and contented with our services. And as we journey towards Philippine Quality Award, we hope that we will be able to satisfy the needs of our customers, making Dole 12 as an agency that can respond to the changing times in terms of innovation, in terms of making ourselves more responsive to the needs of our clients.